A lot can happen in a year. From day one, we have been committed to igniting innovation and setting the standard in connection and protection. Here are some of our favorite moments from our first year. On opening day, our leaders appeared at the New York Stock Exchange to celebrate the company's debut by ringing the opening bell. We also saw multiple financial highlights in our first year. On July 23, 2018, we announced that we would pay our first regular quarterly cash dividend of 17.5 cents per share. We also achieved success in sales, achieving a 6% growth mark in our first year. A new company needs a new office. Our new main office is located in St. Louis Park, Minnesota, just minutes west of Minneapolis, with views of the downtown skyline. The new space was designed with collaboration in mind to foster innovation and teamwork. Over the past year, this location has become home to over 130 employees. Serving customers to the best of our abilities means continuously innovating and delivering solutions that solve their challenges. All of our core nVent brands released new solutions to the market in the past year. nVent opened a new facility in Bangalore, India in February of 2019. The opening of the facility allows us to serve the growing demand for nVent solutions in India and throughout the Middle East region, and to support customer needs more effectively. At nVent, we come together as a team to support our communities. Our employees around the globe invest in their communities by sharing their time, talents, and resources. Our new nVent in Action matching program helps to provide additional financial support to nonprofit organizations that our employees care about. At nVent, we are a global team. We succeed because inclusion and diversity are priorities, and our people are our most valuable assets. Our story has just begun. We are excited about the future as we work to connect and protect our customers with inventive electrical solutions. Thank you for being on this journey with us.